Welcome back. We are breaking down in this video latency. What is it and why it matters? And this video will be quite small one. We hope to make it that small. So we go first with the definition of latency. What is latency? In simpler terms, latency is the delay between when you request something like clicking a button or loading a web page and when you get a response time. The shorter this delay is, the faster and the more responsive the experience is. Okay, but why this is important? Why low latency matters? When latency is low, things happen almost instantly. Pages load quickly, online games feel smooth, and video calls don't lag at all. That kind of speed users make users happy and engaged, and it can even boost conversations for e-commerce. Also, there is a lot of risks in high latency. Like when latency is high, users experience lag, buffering, and overall frustration. High latency can make your application feel unresponsive, driving users away. Nobody likes to wait longer than they have to do. There are some quick tips to reduce latency, to like optimize code and queries, use caching, like store frequently accessed data closer to the end user, leverage CDNs, which is a content delivery network, which can speed up assets delivery globally, use distribute servers, place servers in multiple regions to reduce traveler distance for data. And yeah, like there's not that much things to talk about latency. Latency is just when the client try to request something from the server and the server send it back. The amount of the time that it takes for this process from the starting when the client try to request it and when it to get back, we call it latency. So to wrap it up, latency is a time it takes for your application to respond. Low latency equals happy users, and high latency leads to a poor experience. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any video. And that's it for this quick video.